If you haven't installed ShadowPrep yet, you can watch our installation and initial setup guide shown here.
This is the ShadowPrep application. Wait a second, you probably can't see anything on the screen right now. Well, that's actually intentional. ShadowPrep is designed to remain completely invisible to screen recordings and screen sharing tools. For the purpose of this video, let me temporarily change the application's code so you can actually see it. All right, with that adjustment in place, the ShadowPrep interface should now be visible on the screen. ShadowPrep can be instantly hidden or revealed by pressing Ctrl and the backtick key. The application disappears from the screen. Press the same shortcut again and the interface becomes visible once more. ShadowPrep features a built-in AI chat interface that allows you to quickly ask questions, explore ideas, and get intelligent responses. ShadowPrep also includes a community section where users can ask questions, report issues, and discuss features with both the team and other users. These social icons provide access to the only official ShadowPrep accounts and platforms. The screen feature allows ShadowPrep to analyze content directly from your screen. This makes it especially useful during coding interviews or assessments, where the system can quickly extract the question and provide an intelligent response. This feature becomes even more powerful during coding exams or interviews. ShadowPrep can analyze the problem directly from the screen and generate a possible solution within seconds. The suggested code can then be quickly copied and used to test or complete the problem. If needed, both the question and the solution can also be sent directly to your email for future reference. Here is how the solution appears when delivered to your email. ShadowPrep also includes an interview mode. When this mode is enabled, responses are structured to better match real interview expectations. Instead of returning only code, the system provides the solution along with the algorithm, a clear explanation, and the time and space complexities. In some situations, the generated solution may produce errors or fail certain test cases. This can happen because of edge cases, specific platform constraints, or differences in how the problem is evaluated. In such cases, you can simply use the Fix Error option. ShadowPrep analyzes the issue and generates a corrected version of the solution, which can then be copied and tested again. Next is the voice feature. Since we cannot demonstrate this with a real or fake interview, we're using a mock interview video as an example. ShadowPrep listens to the system's output audio and transcribes the question in real time. Once the question is captured, simply click the Stop button to generate the response. For user privacy, it only listens to output audio and does not access the microphone. Interview mode can be enabled from the settings. When this mode is turned on, ShadowPrep remembers the recent chat history and previously analyzed screen content, allowing it to respond more effectively to follow-up questions. ShadowPrep also supports interview personalization. You can provide details about yourself, your experience, or the specific interview context, and save this information so the responses are tailored accordingly. Once saved, ShadowPrep can use that context to generate more relevant answers during the interview.
ShadowPrep also includes a light and dark theme option. This allows the interface to better blend with the background of the platform you are using. ShadowPrep also includes a strict mode. Some platforms detect tab switching during interviews or assessments, which can trigger security events. In this demonstration, those events appear in the console logs when switching between tabs. When strict mode is enabled, ShadowPrep prevents these tab switch detections. For maximum safety, the application also stops taking keyboard input while this mode is active. Once the mode is turned off again, the tab switch triggers appear normally in the logs. ShadowPrep also provides a fast screen capture option. When enabled, the screen is analyzed much faster than the normal capture mode. This works best for text-based content. If the screen includes diagrams or visual elements, keeping this option off usually provides better results. ShadowPrep also allows you to choose between different AI models. The selected model will be used to generate responses throughout the application. Keep in mind that larger or heavier models take slightly longer to respond.
ShadowPrep also includes ShadowSync for securely syncing your API keys. The Retrieve option can restore your saved keys if they are lost, while Update keys allows you to store new or updated keys for future use.
ShadowPrep also offers off-the-radar features available through a $1 pass that unlocks them for 30 days. One of these features is Hide Tray Icon. Normally, the application appears in the system tray disguised as Windows Explorer. Enabling this option removes the tray icon completely, making the application even less visible.
Another off-the-radar feature is Auto Listen. Normally, after capturing a question using the voice feature, you need to manually press Stop to send it for processing. When Auto Listen is enabled, the captured audio is automatically sent to the AI once the question finishes. You can also adjust the silence timeout, which controls how long ShadowPrep waits after the speaker stops before sending the request. The default delay is 1.5 seconds, but it can be increased if needed and reset back to the default anytime.
Here is how ShadowPrep normally appears in the system. When the application is visible on the screen, it appears like a regular process in Task Manager. Once the shortcut is used to hide the interface, the process moves into the background processes. When the interface is shown again, it returns back to the active processes. ShadowPrep also offers a VIP version with additional stealth improvements that make the application even more difficult to detect from Task Manager. Details about it are available inside the app.